immediately, prevention is better than cure.
Ka Nectar kala yasnok tilang bat ka Akin Analytics kabalong kiken huns dangkam kikentay ka beningkong ha India kaban ya ka jing syakri lang bagi drone bat yaki program ay jing hikai hagitanat trekam kum katanat karep karyang katanat ti Marpo khandau katanat Beijing tay katanat boarding bat katanat disaster management hakel leng gibenta chongkathan chatay lamingi ka Akin kan yaki drone ki balashna ringkat kajing start AI kat ba kan Nectar kan penyaso iki bat ki project hakathan ki drone na kabenta karep karyang ka Nectar ki batmu na kabenta kajing rep slasha kilalong ki babyang bat kidang up ya ka type certification lani kajing yo Jingpyn
square feet area they are taking for setting up a drone tech hub. Basically, they will try to assemble their drone components, and that will be one of the marketing point. And also, they are trying to build some repair center also. What I have discussed, so that they may get some kind of support, provide some kind of support to drones that get defect here in northeast area.
Kasilong kan sa penlong